How to view Facebook without account. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you view Facebook without account. So let's get started. First, as you have to open any browser like Chrome or Safari on your device. After you open browser, in the search field you'll have to search for facebook.com space some random profile name you want to visit. Right now I'm here searching facebook.com Cristiano Ronaldo. After you search for that, it will appear with your profile icon. Simply tap on that profile. And from here, you can simply view the profile of that person without logging your account on Facebook. So this is the method, as you can also open it on app, but you have to just log in with your account. So this is the method. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.